happen. They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it. Hey.
What is up, everybody? What is up? If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Alright. So I know everybody gets that line on your forehead when you tie your durag too tight. You know, when you go to sleep, you tie your durag that way, and you get that line on your forehead when you wake up because it's too tight. This video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get rid of that line. Okay, it's cool to wear your durag to sleep and have it on super tight so it won't come off. But once you wake up, you know you don't have to have the durag on that tight. So what you're gonna have to do is just put your durag on your head like you're about to tie it regularly. And the only difference is instead of going all the way around your head twice, it's gonna go behind your head and tie it like you are tying your shoelace, like so. Now with this method, guys, the durag will not be as tight as if you would tie it regularly, but it still lays your hair down pretty good, and it also gets rid of that line that everyone gets on their forehead, and it leaves a dark spot, you know, and that looks ugly. So this is a lot better, and you guys should definitely try it out. This method is awesome. So one problem with this technique is, I mean, it does get rid of the line, but there's these air bubbles on the side right there, and once you have those air bubbles, the hair underneath the air bubble will not be laid. All right, so a way to fix that will be to tie it this way, pull up like that, and that will get rid of the air bubbles. And yeah, so guys, when you go to sleep, tie your do regularly. But once you wake up, there's no need to have it on super tight because that's where the line comes from. So once you wake up, try tying your do-rag with this technique, and it's gonna help a lot. Okay, you guys, after you finish tying it, you could fix up the front, you know, have it fit snug. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button if this video was helpful. Yeah, I'm out of here.